Without their helps and without their open arms and their courage, our brothers and sisters who had to run away from our country would not have shelters and would not have a place to live and stay and would not have meals to eat. But because of these courageous people and because of their help, our brothers and sisters could have roofs above their heads and meals to eat in a foreign land. And these courageous people are no other than the people of Mizoram. So tonight, the Chhan TV is very thrilled and privileged to present the Chhan TV Appreciation Award to the government of Mizoram and all people all Mizo people in Mizoram and all NGOs and civil societies and all charity organizations in Mizoram. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us give a round of applause for the people of Mizoram for this award.
Coming to chungah kaniya Mizo Society of America Indiana branch hian president kani tichuan Central Mizo Society of America hian vice president kani zanina kan Mizoram minga choi moina wat ro puih tang mei Chhan TV na an buat sai hi Mizoram hengin lawm thu kan soi ani unaw kania hetianga Mizoram ina unaw puih Burma harsa refugee te tan puih thaya om hi pathian le unaw tisen zom puih kan di wangani ti hi kan soi doa hemi wang hian Mizoram point kan unaw te tan puih thaya hun an lo mang te hi an lom em ani ti kha kan sein tel nu albok ani Mizoram hengin zawain chibai kabu ko chu kolome